Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to turn off microphone in TikTok Live mobile gaming. So say you're in your TikTok profile, you're going to look at the bottom where you have the plus icon, and after tapping it, you're going to see three options. You have the post, story, and live. So we're going to swipe to the extreme right, and here all we need to do is to tap on go live. However, if you want to turn off your microphone on your mobile device, you can swipe down and look for your microphone button. So when we swipe down, we're going to look for the microphone option. For this device, we need to swipe to the left to the next page, and here we can see mic access. So if you want to turn off your microphone before even starting the game or during the game, you can just simply swipe down and look for mic access. Now, depending on your mobile device, it might be blue, it might be another color, but you want to look for mic access or look for the icon with the microphone. So when you tap on it, it's going to turn off your microphone access and then your microphone will be turned off. So this is how to turn off microphone in TikTok Live mobile gaming.